So how do you know if your windshield wiper needs to be replaced? Well, the key telltale sign is if you see on the wiper blade any ripping, cracks, or tears on the actual rubber down here, then that's an indication that it's time to replace. If you're getting streaks on your windshield when it rains or when it's snowing, then there's an easy way to take care of that, and I'll tell you about that at the end of the video. That may not require you to replace your windshield wiper. Here's a quick video on how to change your windshield wiper blade. So, first thing you gotta do is go to the windshield wiper, pull it up, and then as you can see here, this part here loops around right here, and then there's a plastic clip here, and then this wiper, and these two, the clip and the wiper, come off together. So all you need to do is push toward, and then as you can see, you've exposed the hook. And then just kind of wiggle this out. I gotta do this with two hands, but that's okay. There we go. So there you go, you just slide the wiper out, and all you should have left is the hook. So the wiper, the new wiper, just will clip back in this way, and I'll show you how to do that. So I'm replacing my passenger windshield wiper with a Rain-X H21 in case you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee. And all you have to do is pop open this tab, like so, and then just like the other one, you're going to bring the hook in, and it's going to latch around the inside part right here. So if I pull my hook down, and then try and get that around there. Oops. Okay, so you see, get it in there, and then listen for the click. I think that was it. Close it. Oh, there was the click. So yeah, just loop it on that hook, pull towards you until you hear the click, push it down, and don't forget to take off this protective liner on the bottom so you don't scratch your windshield. Slides right off. And that is how you replace your windshield wiper if it is a hook type. Very simple. If you have any questions, leave it below in the comments. I'll leave a link to this in the description. And yeah, I hope that was helpful. And then another trick to help your wiper, windshield wipers clean better is, let's say they start streaking on your windshield, spray them with some WD-40, wipe them off, and the next time you go driving, you'll notice a substantial difference in the way that your wipers get the water off your windshield or snow. So hopefully that's a helpful tip.